my name is Daya and today we're going to be cooking pizza. And joining us today we have a very special guest. So everyone meet Lizzie the Lizard. She is a very experienced chef and she is going to be observing our every move. I'm going to place her on this apple and she's going to be watching. Now, let's cook some pizza. We have onion, capsicum, we have tomato and corn. And we have some chicken coming on later. And let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, it's tomato time. And now it's capsicum time. And now it's red capsicum time. Now, the dangerous one, it's onion time. Let's go. Now it's time for my favorite of them all, corn. Lizzie, everything's alright, right? Yeah, I guess everything's alright. You can continue. Okay. Whew, the master chef said everything's alright. Let's continue. Okay, now it's time for the onions. But guys, listen to this ASMR. Too much, bro. Too much. But now let's get to cutting our onions. I forgot to wear protection. Papa, help! Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Now let's continue. We have got all the ingredients ready and we've added some few new ingredients. So let's show you all of them. First, we have the nice, delicious tomato. We have some corn to make it nice, sweet and crunchy. We have one of the main ingredients, cheese. We have some chicken. It looks so delicious. We have our yellow and red capsicum. We have our danger onions. We have some tomato sauce and some barbecue sauce. Now, these are all the ingredients, and we also have this, the pizza dough. It is a 12-inch pan pizza. I got it from Woolies, so you can get it too. Now, listen to the ASMR of opening. Pizza that kids can make, and always remember to have adult supervision when you're cutting, just in case you hit your finger, and we don't want that. And now, let's get on to making our pizza. For the base of this pizza, I'm not going to be using tomato sauce, I'm going to be using barbecue sauce. Now let's get pouring. Let's spread. Oh my god, I love this ASMR. Can you guys hear this? Oh, do this. Now, let's add some more. Now we're spreading and spreading. We're gonna leave some space for the crust. Or no, let's let the crust be flavored. Spread, spread, spread. Spread all around, guys. Keep spreading. Okay, now let's get started on our toppings. First, we're gonna add delicious cheese. Who loves pizza without cheese? Because cheese is the thing that makes a pizza go ah. Isn't it? Tell me down in the comments. But now, we have finished our cheese, and at the end of all our ingredients, we're gonna add some more cheese. But now, let's finish adding our ingredients. I'm gonna add some corn. Take some. Now we have some tomato to add a little bit of tanginess. Ooh. Oh my god, it's already looking so good. I wanna eat it now. Okay, now we have the dangerous onion to add a little spice and a nice good old kick. I am a chef now, guys. I am a chef. Now it's capsicum time. We have our red and yellow capsicum ready to be added. We have our yellow capsicum, which is going to be delicious. I am a chef now, guys. Voila. I have a question for you guys. What is the main ingredient in the chicken pizza? It is chicken. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Now, let's add some chicken. Take some chicken, put it in my hand. We're going to spread a delicious chicken. Oh, it looks so good. I want to eat some. Let's take some more. One more chicken. Now, let's add some more cheese to this. So the cheese is going to be covered by all the ingredients. So we need to add some more cheese to level it out. Lizzie was asking how the pizza was. Let's show her, shall we? Hallelujah, hallelujah. It's good, doesn't it? Now, it is time to put this in the oven. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're wondering about the quick dress change, it's because a bit of barbecue sauce got on my shirt. Very sad, but no matter about that, because introducing our delicioso pizza! It is gorgeous. It is beautiful in any way ever imaginable. Now, to top it off, let's add some peri peri sauce. Let's do this. Now let's see what Lizzie has to say about this. Come on, Lizzie. So, Lizzie, what do you think about my thing? Daya, you don't have to speak in an accent. Sorry. But anyway, what do you think? It looks really good. I'm gonna rate this a 100 out of 100. Woo! It looks delicious. The flavors are delicious. Well done, Daya. Well done. Thank you, Lizzie. I'm very proud of myself as well. Now, let's cut this pizza. Time for a taste test. Ooh, put that on top. 3, 2, 1. One moment, it's a little hot. Let's let it cool down first. Okay, no one saw that. Let's continue. Sorry. Odor actually like it. Delicioso.